Alright, let's get to the point. Today, I am going to build this. It's awesome, okay? It's awesome. But enough about this. I have a little story to tell, so just keep it rolling, let's keep it rolling.
Oh yeah, smooth.
I just have to get this out. A couple of years ago, let's just say we had a lot of time on our hands and I started getting into Legos. Now I've built quite a few sets, but nothing like this. Let's just say Legos are therapeutically frustrating for those who ever built sets or whatever it may be. It comes with a lot of frustration, a lot of time, a lot of hours putting into this. My loving husband supports me in all I do, but he never actually filmed me doing it. For reasons, obviously, but this time I was super excited about this. I'm all for the video games. I'm all for the comics. Now, one of the reasons I do love building mainly Star Wars is because my husband loves Star Wars. I have to be honest, I haven't seen a whole lot of Star Wars. But when you start getting episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in between, I'm not gonna lie, I get confused with what happened in this episode or that episode. It's hard for me to kind of piece together. So, but enough of me chit-chatting and all this stuff. And by the way, please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's build. 8 hours later, finally done. And I truly took my time on this. So for those who have been following our channel, I truly apologize for the delay in the other videos, because we just really wanted to focus on getting this one out. So for those of you who haven't subscribed, hit that like and subscribe. And for those who have been following us, thank you, thank you, thank you. Some of the challenges I had with this build was I realized I was missing some pieces at the very end. There was some parts in there where when I was putting it together and I was like just testing it out and everything on how it opened up and everything, some came loose, but you know what? I actually stayed calm out of this. And if you ask my husband, Famous, he was actually shocked himself. But overall, it was an amazing build. I do have 2 more builds left, so stay tuned, look for those. In the meantime, from gamer to gamer, thanks for watching.